In this video, I want to show you how you can generate images using just text. So I'll show you a free app that you can use to generate images, and this app is completely free, and all you have to do is go to the first link you see in the description of this video, or just go to leonardo.ai and you come to an interface like this one, and you need to create an account. All you have to do is come right here, click on sign up, put an email address, a password, and you are in. So after that, you want to come to login, and you can log in and come to this interface. So here you want to click on launch app, and the app will be launched, and this is where you can start your image generation using just text or text prompt. So first you need to have an idea of the image you want to create, and I have written some text prompts that I want to use right here. So I made this prompt using ChatGPT, or so you can go to ChatGPT and create your own. So these are just abstract prompts that I want to use for this video. Alternatively, you can just write your own prompt by yourself, and this AI is still going to help you generate some realistic images using the prompts that you have given it. So it's still coming up, so I'm just going to give it some few seconds to load, and we will begin. So we are in, and these are the things you can do with this AI or this software. So you can use it to upscale images, you can use it to generate images, giving it references, you can create consistent character, and you can use a picture to reference the kind of picture that you want to create. So here you get 150 tokens daily, and this resets every 4 hours. And for every image you generate, you'll be charged 12 of these tokens. So you have a lot of things you can do right here, but a lot of them are locked. So we are just going to use the free one, which is the image creation. So you come here where you have the image creation, and you click on the image creation, so you can go to the work canvas. And from the work canvas here, you can select the preset or the model that you want to use. So if you click on it, you see the different models that you can use. So by default, it is set to this cinematic Kino, where you can select the style you want. So this model is going to affect the kind of outcome that you will get. So for instance, you can see the different models here. So this cinematic Kimo, this is what it's going to look like. So we have concept art, we have graphics design, we have anime, we have lifelike vision, and all of that. So I'm going to use this concept art instead. So I can just select the concept art, and you can see it changes here from concept art. The style is character sheet, and the contrast is medium. So you can also select the generation mode, but since we are on the free plan, we can only use fast. Here you can select the dimension of the image you want. So you can select 1:1, which is a square that you can use on Instagram and every square platform, but we want to use this for YouTube, so we are going to select 16:9. So this is the number of images we can generate, which is 4 images. So you have other settings here, but in most cases you are fine with just these settings here. So we are okay now, and we want to go to this is where we need to put our prompt. So you can basically come here and tell it anything. You can say a guy or a good guy working on a computer. So let's say a guy working on a computer. So it's going to take this prompt, and it's going to generate images of this. So you can see how much it's going to cost us per image, which is 14 coins. So you click on generate image, and we just give it some seconds, and it's going to generate images for us. So actually my prompt is quite wrong, but let's see what it's going to give us now. So this is now our result, and that actually took a while. As you can see, I told it to I had to rewrite this prompt, and I said a guy working on a laptop, and as you can see, it just gave me generic pictures. I don't know why it's hard to add these 2 guys standing, but as you can see, the prompt wasn't as detailed, so I'm going to say it did its best. So let's get a proper prompt and we can use it to generate a proper image. So I'm going to use this one. I got this from ChatGPT, and I'm just going to come back here. I'm going to click on this prompt and I'm going to change the prompt. So I'm going to highlight this and paste, and I'm going to say generate. And again, we are going to give it some time to do this magic, and by now, or with this prompt, it should give us better result, because this prompt is detailed. So this prompt says a wise elder sits beneath an ancient boab tree, its roots intertwining into shapes of mystical or mythical creatures and spirits, glowing faintly under a sky. The elders flowing ropes ripple like smoke, and each gesture conjures ghostly with ancestral stories that dance around them. So as you can see, this is a well-written prompt. So let's give it some time to give us the magic. So this is it, and as you can see, this one is actually very good, because this prompt is also very good. So you can click on each of these images and you could decide the one that you want, and you can download the one that you want. So you can go through them and download the one that you want. So I think I prefer the second one right here, this one right here, and you have a download button here. You can just click on download, and our image has been downloaded right here. So this is basically how you can use these websites. Give it test prompt and it will generate these pictures for you. I hope this video is helpful, and if it does help you, please like the video. If it does not help you, you can tell me in the comment section. Tell me that this video did not help you, and subscribe if you think this channel is going to be helpful to you. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.